A frozen Mistplay screen usually means the app is stuck trying to load account data, reward offers, or gameplay tracking in the background. By the end of this, you'll know the fastest fixes, what causes the freeze, and what to do if it keeps happening. The first fix is force closing the app. Open your recent apps, swipe away Mistplay, then reopen it. This clears temporary background errors and reloads your session from scratch. If the freeze was caused by a failed sync, this can fix it in seconds. If it freezes again, clear the cache. Go to Settings, Apps, Mistplay, Storage, then tap Clear Cache. Cache stores temporary files like reward data and offer history. If one of those files gets corrupted, the app can lock up during startup or while switching pages. If clearing cache doesn't work, update the app. Go to the Google Play Store and search for Mistplay. Install any available update. Older app versions can freeze if Mistplay changes how rewards, offers, or account verification work on their servers. Next, check your connection. Mistplay constantly syncs game progress and available offers. Weak Wi-Fi or unstable mobile data can cause loading pages to freeze. Switch networks and reopen the app. If you're on Wi-Fi, test mobile data. If you're on mobile data, test Wi-Fi. Now, check battery settings. Some Android devices stop apps in the background to save power, and Mistplay relies on background activity for tracking. Go to Settings, Battery Optimization, find Mistplay, and set it to unrestricted. That prevents Android from cutting off important app processes. If the app still freezes, restart your phone. A restart clears system memory and shuts down background apps that might be conflicting with Mistplay. If nothing changes, clear app data. Go to the same storage menu and tap Clear Data. This fully resets the app, so you'll need to sign in again, but your account progress should still be attached to your login. One last check. Mistplay servers. So the fastest fixes are force close, clear cache, update the app, and check your connection. Start with force close and cache first, because those solve freezing most often. If this helped, like the video, and subscribe for more quick app fixes.